Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 16th of May. And first of all, national news. If a law is drafted well, judiciary cannot overstep it. Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Supreme Court junk play to include details of missing persons in census. 184 fishermen reach Gujarat after release from Pakistani jail. India will be a developed nation by 2047, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar interacted with the Indian community in Sweden. Talks, not violence, is the solution. Manipur's Kargil war veteran call for peace. India needs framework for regulation of AI, Digital India Corporation's MD said. Partition Museum in Delhi's Dara Shikoh, a library to open on Thursday. PM Modi to distribute 71,000 job letters at Rozgar Mela on 16th May. PM's replied to Jammu man's letter on Northeast trip. And now international news. On Twitter, censorship in Turkey, Elon Musk got a sharp response from Wikipedia founder. UK Minister Suella Braverman trained fruit pickers and lorry drivers to cut migration. Food shortages, runaway inflation, no end in sight to Sudan's brutal war. 10 lions killed by herders in Kenya as human-animal conflict escalates. UK to give Ukraine hundreds of air defense missiles and drones. Myanmar port city cut off in Cyclone Mocha aftermath. France to send light tanks, armored cars to Ukraine to fight Russia. And now some sports news. India knocked out of Sudirman Cup, lost to Malaysia in second Group C match. Pakistan Cricket Board Chief Nazam Sethi want BCCI to take good rational decision on 2023 Asia Cup. Big decision by ICC ahead of World Test Championship final. Soft signal by one field umpire scrapped. Novak Djokovic eager Swiatek into Italian Open last 16. Now news related to business. PVR and Ox to shut 50 loss-making cinemas over next 6 months. Allegations of Adani investigation since 2016 factually baseless, as EBI said. India's annual wholesale inflation fall to minus 0.92% in April. Sensex up over 180 points, Nifty nears 18,400 in early trade. Now news from science and technology. Saturn won Game of Moons, dethrones Jupiter as planet with most satellites. Tides are eating into glaciers, triggering more melting. Study found. And NASA's Perseverance rover spotted evidence of a turbulent river on Mars. And that's all in news. Thank you.